So what you can also do is you can go around and modify your account information inside of Microsoft Edge. So in order to do that, you need to go around and click on the three dot button over here. Then what you can do is you can go around onto settings. And once you go around onto settings, you can go around onto your account info. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your manage account section, just like this. And it opens up the page in Microsoft's website right here. So you can see that it's loading out right here, just like this. And then it's continuing right here until you get to the Microsoft account page. And over here on the left hand side, you can see that your info is an option. And once you go around onto your info section, you can see that you can go around and add in different information over here. For example, you can change around your name and then change around your date of birth right here, just like this, and so forth as well. So let's say, for example, I want to go around and change my profile picture. So I'm going to go around and add a photo right here and add a photo from over here. And from my, let's say, for example, from my drive over here on my computer, I'm just going to go around onto my YouTube drive and then select out a photo. So I'm just going to select out this photo and click on open, and then this is what you have. So if I were to go around and click on save, then what happens is that this photo will be set, as you can see right here. So similarly, you can edit out the name right here. So right now, the first name is YouTube and last name is YouTube channel. So let me just go around and remove out the YouTube right here and simply add in channel. And then you need to add in a captcha, as you can see right here, to prove that it is you. So I'm just going to go around and then I'm going to say NQR right here, just like this, and hit save. And I guess I don't have to let's say, for example, add in space, so QX Y right here, just like this, and click on save. And then what happens is that if it is correct, the captcha is correct, then what happens is that my info will be updated just like this, and you can see the logo right here, and you can see the full name over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and modify other account information that you have as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.